complementing everything great about timeless Detroit muscle with thoughtful design and exceptional construction. This '69 Camaro is an extremely capable version of one of the most popular muscle cars ever created. The idea behind the car's build was twofold: create a lights-out classic that could win trophies, and give that lights-out classic the ability to hold its own at the autocross course. Intense focus was put on the car's legendary body. Solid doors, an original trunk, and an original roof were joined with GM fenders, GM quarters, and a filled cowl panel. Once that metal was worked for excellent fit, PPG Global 2-stage was stretched from the car's D80 deck spoiler all the way to its high-grade carbon fiber cowl induction hood. The theme of accenting original virtues with unbeatable capability translates seamlessly to this Chevy's customized interior. Tall Recaro buckets up front have been dressed in body-match stitching. The car's dash wraps a Detroit speed instrument panel around highly detailed gauges while balancing an Alpine CD player and vintage air climate control. A custom full-length console serves a billet shifter in front of sleek power window switches, and a removable steering wheel laps a tilting column. Lift the lightweight carbon fiber hood to reveal a supercharged LSA V8 that has been dyno-tuned to 670 horsepower and nearly 700 pound-feet of torque to the rear tires. A 670 wheel horsepower engine could easily overwhelm a 3 or 4-speed, so this Chevy's builders installed a proven Tremec T56 6-speed. Very few classics possess the reliable, well-rounded performance of this incredible Camaro, but you're looking at a track-ready, purpose-built Pro Tour, and when your foot hits the floor, that's exactly what you'll get. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.